My name is Fazlullah and the name of my channel is the lesson of various book which are about knowledge and for interpretation of book. There is a problem of receive content on my channel due to which my channel is not monetized. So I went to tell that the content I use is all my own. It is not anyone else's videos. All are mine and I make these videos for this channel. I take background music from the YouTube library. I work on the religious topic their YouTube team. Whatever whatever content is long on my channel, be it long videos or short. Whatever is it, it is all made by me and I use music from YouTube library. I take care of all the policies of YouTube. My entire channel follows receive content policy and there is no violation of my channel. I record all my YouTube I record all my videos myself. I request you to solve this problem of my channel so that my channel is monetized. Thank you.